I will ask you one question. Are you very much happy with the Indian Railways working? Are the passengers of railways are very happy with the?
But it's the only affordable means that we can.
Exactly. There should be healthy competition. I fully subscribe to your views. Only few of the things can have monopolies. Not every sector. Not definitely financial sector. One more question I will ask. If there is only one college, that is Saint Joseph College, then what would happen? No other colleges are there. As rightly told by my leader, Soumya Datta. So it will definitely bring in laxity, inefficiency and low productivity. Because always there is a concept called guaranteed jobs and jobs guaranteed. You will enter into that syndrome. So always you should have healthy competition in every sector. Instead of so many TV channels, let us have only one TV channel. It was. Doordarshan was. So then why the government allowed? But few sectors, definitely there should be, healthy competition. That is our view.
Likewise, sir.
One simple thing. You go for lunch, you are given only rice to eat. It's okay. You need variety. No? You need to have choices. People should be given their choices to go wherever they want, whatever they have. Want.
But my point, sir, I didn't mean I just want one option. I said one person giving me many options. That was exactly what I wanted. If I say I have one bank and that one bank is catering to all my needs, I don't have to go to another bank. Simple. And when I say I want one monopoly bank, it has to be regulated in a way that it is strict and it is done correctly. Not like the Indian Railways. No, I would preferably want it to be like the Jio. Very simple.
So wait for some more time, then you will experience Jio.
Hopefully.
It will be too early to say now. Once he gets into monopoly. Just one second.
You should.
No. Just sir, only one question. That Jio man.
Your comparison should not have been Jio. I am only trying to help you so that you will get better answers from the eminent people sitting here. I am trying to help you. 1 minute. Let me allow to complete it. I am trying to help you. You see, you should have said, like Life Insurance Corporation. You should not say railways, you should not say Jio or something. There is one in financial sector like Life Insurance Corporation which was or which still is a monopoly. Undoubtedly it is monopoly and making lot of profits. It is not that what you are asking is not in the minds of the government. They are trying to do that. But as an organization we are not comfortable with that, we oppose it. We do not want all the banks to be merged. That is a different issue, you leave it to us. When we go as a trade union, when we go for that, that is a different issue that we will discuss anyhow. The role of trade unions in such a situation, that is a different issue. But I still feel that you compare not Jio with anybody else. Jio is not at all to be compared. If you compare LIC, I would have been more happy. No, you know.
No. Actually, what happened? In reality, Reliance, only women. I do not know, you are maybe child when this was coined. Bombay, Vimal shooting. Okay, Bombay dying, only Vimal. That was the caption. Sarcasm was going through cartoons in many papers. What I wanted to say, for textile, polyester textile, the major component was imported by Reliance. That was the monopoly they had all over the country. Only few other industries were able to meet the challenge. Okay, a situation where it came that only Reliance industry was able to call the shots. Even now in many of these sectors. IDPL is the best example. That was once owned by government. So it has been sold. It was in monopoly. Many sectors are in monopoly. Now that has been acquired by the private sectors. Only after some time we will realize how good or how bad Jio is. Once they enter into the monopoly. Now you have seen within the private sector, what has happened to Airtel or other industries?
Flying industry.
Yeah, aviation also. Okay, yeah, Nokia gone, Motorola gone and came back.
Sir, I have a question here. This is out of my experience I wanted to ask, because it is SBI, I wanted to ask this question. A few months back, I had applied for a housing loan. In spite of showing all the documents which they have asked, very relevantly and very genuinely, and the loan amount what I applied was not so heavy, like it was just 10 lakhs amount. So I was, after showing all the documents, everything, 15 days, they were very silent. After 15 days, when I approached the bank, they told, I'm sorry, your loan is not accepted. Your loan application is rejected. When I asked for the reason, they only told it is our policy issues, madam, we can't. Then with pressure, I questioned them. When they answered that your house, what you're applying for is already a constructed house, so it is under lot of encumbrances. I told, what is an encumbrance here? Because already I have applied for a loan with SBI only. They have granted the loan, I have constructed first floor. Now I am constructing second floor, you are not ready to lend me again. So finally they could not have, might be what pressure they faced, I don't understand. Still now it's a mystery for me. They have answered, no madam, you come after 15 days, might be I will have an answer for you. So after that, I was in a hurry.
Excuse me, madam, this forum is not for raising individual
No,
cases.
no, I'm asking.
Which you can probably take up with the panelists on a different.
No, I'm asking why is that kind of loans when people like Nirav Modi or Malya can get huge crores of loans, why not a 10 lakh loans it can be sanctioned to me, who's very genuinely shown all the documents. This is not a personal question. This is out of my experience I asked.
It's fine, but this is out of the scope of this discussion, and the panel will not be able to answer this question.
No,
And due to-
but privately you.
After this
After the meeting,
session is
you
over,
can meet the
we'll address.
panelists and.
No, I will give you our contact number. I will leave my contact number. You can talk to me subsequently, definitely.
All right.
If it can be solved, definitely.
I now conclude this meeting and panelists. Sorry, madam, we are running out of time.
We are
Probably-
exceeded 2 minutes. Srinivas Lakshmi Narayanan.
Correct. So we are closing this.
We are 34. 4 minutes exceeded.
It's because of the enthusiasm of the panel members.
Yeah, we appreciate
who
that.
answered the question.
We appreciate that.
And the lack of mic in my hand also. So I cannot intervene.
Your voice is more vibrant,
Thank you so
creative
much, Dr. Kanikar. So-
than the mic.
So I conclude this panel discussion with gratitude to all the eminent panelists. The major learning is that the technology can be used to actually reduce fraud within the bank and also to profile the borrowers and to eliminate borrowers who have got the propensity to default even at the time of application, much less at the time of sanction. And the second point that you have taken is that the banks will try to reduce the NPAs by use of technology, and we hope that the NPA comes down and SBI becomes much more profitable, being the largest bank in terms of revenue and turnover. Thank you very much, panelists.